I've always loved building since I was like a really little kid, so this like really stood out to me ever since I first heard of it.
It's a woodworking class. They're going to learn everything about woodworking tools. Our first project for the middle school was the toolbox. So each project, while basic, begins to work up to the next level. The upper school kids, they build the boxes, a little bit more precise measurements, and then they're also working on finishing. So how do you properly sand something? Which products will you use to get the desired finish you want?
This space is super high tech. It has all the different machinery, and I feel like having such a hands-on class is such a special opportunity for us here at Landon.
That's pretty good.
Mr. Cook always expresses how safety is like the #1 thing we need to be most thoughtful of.
And remember, pressure up here.
As the boys progress and their skills get better, we'll begin to use the trees that were taken down during construction and were milled for us. They're going to be able to make a project out of a tree that was on this campus for 100 years.
I feel like that's a really cool opportunity for us. I mean, being able to build something from something that has come from Landon could be a cool sentimental piece that I could have for the rest of my life.
It's really been nice to see the boys who've never done anything like this to come in and feel comfortable and be excited about it, and then have some pride when they completed a project.
I'm super excited. I feel like I've been getting everything down, learning new stuff every single day.